A particle is projected horizontally at 15 meters per second from a height of 20 meters. Calculate the horizontal distance covered by the particle just before hitting the ground. Taking g equals to 10 meters per second squared, okay? Let us first interpret the question into diagram, okay? Now, if you are solving this in objective, you don't need this, but because I'm teaching, let me just put the diagram up here. Are you getting it? So now the particle is projected from a height of 20 meters. So I'm going to have 20 here. The initial velocity which the particle is being projected with is given as 15 meters per second. 15 meters per second. So we are asked to calculate the horizontal distance. So that means we are looking for the range. Are you getting it? The height has been given as 20 meters. Now, if you want to calculate the range, don't forget that r is equals to the initial velocity multiplied by time. Are you getting it? That's why I asked you to pen down the formulas. The formulas that I wrote on the board the other time, I asked you to pen it down. So r is equals to initial velocity multiplied by the time. Now, the initial velocity is 15. You know, we've been given as 15. How can we get the time? Do not forget that h is equals to 1/2 multiplied by acceleration due to gravity multiplied by the square of time. Okay? And the height, which is h, is what? 20 meters. So I'm going to have 20 is equals to, now the acceleration due to gravity has been given as g, which is what? 10 meters per second squared. So I'm going to have 20 equals to 10 multiplied by t squared all over 2. So I'm going to have t squared is equals to 40 divided by 10. So t squared is equals to 4. To get the value of t equals to what? The square root of 4 will give me what? 2 seconds. So t is equals to 2. Now, having gotten the time, come back to this. The range that we're looking for, which is the horizontal distance, is the product of the initial velocity, which is 15 multiplied by the time. The time is 2, so I'm going to have 2 here. So r is equals to 15 times 2, that is 30. So that is 30 meters, which is the final answer. Do you understand? So let us proceed to the next question. A ball is projected horizontally from the top of a vertical building 25.0 meters above the ground level with an initial velocity of 8.25 meters per second. Question 1. How long is the ball in flight before striking the ground? Question 2. How far from the building does the ball strike the ground? To watch the complete class, kindly click on the link in the description of this video or the comment section, okay? See you in the next class.